Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the Bosch Series 8 Heat Pump Dryer. Bosch Heat Pump Dryers help to dry your laundry effortlessly and efficiently. Introducing Bosch Series 8 9 kg Heat Pump Dryer, an exceptional dryer with Smart Dry powered by Home Connect. Selecting the right drying program for your laundry can be complicated. Smart Dry is here to help. Thanks to the Wi-Fi connection between your washer and dryer, the two can connect and select the right drying program based on the last washing cycle without using an external device or app. It's the smartest way to perfect drying results. Are you on the go? With the Home Connect app, you are able to control and monitor your dryer remotely. The Home Connect app also offers a variety of features that allow you to improve your laundry experience, all with just a tap. You can also control your dryer by voice. Simply activate Amazon Alexa via the Home Connect app and your dryer is ready to use. Getting clothes perfectly dry doesn't have to be a hassle. Whether you want your laundry dry enough to iron or extra dry and ready to fold, the AutoDry sensors ensure that your laundry is dried to the right level while protecting against high temperatures and over-drying. When you're in a rush, this function is ideal for small loads and thin fabrics. Dry your items within 40 minutes with the Quick Dry function. High heat can damage your clothes. The sensitive drying system dries your laundry gently using mild, warm air from all sides. The curved paddles in the drum ensure that your laundry does not crease, giving you soft and fluffy dried laundry. With the self-cleaning condenser, the condenser is cleaned automatically during the drying process, ensuring that the dryer runs at top performance. Reduce your ironing pile. IronAssist gently steams your clothes after drying to reduce wrinkles, saving you the hassle of ironing at all. The AntiCrease feature lets you spend less time ironing. Your laundry will be gently loosened after drying to prevent wrinkles from setting in. Avoid tangles in your dryer. The large reversible drum moves in both directions to prevent tangles, a lifesaver especially for large items like bed linen. You can now change the opening direction of the dryer door to suit your needs. With the reversible door hinge, you are able to open the door from each side. Access your dryer easily no matter where you place it. Enjoy a peaceful home with one of the quietest dryers. The anti-vibration side panels reduce vibration and regulate noise levels. Unlike other dryers, heat pump dryers operate by reusing heated air in a closed-circuit system to dry your laundry. This means you get perfect drying results while consuming up to 50% less electricity than other dryer types. Coupled with the 𝘊𝘆 drive motor, it ensures a quiet and energy-efficient operation, allowing the dryer to last longer with an energy class of ACE+++. The Series 8 Heat Pump Dryer is environmentally friendly and efficient. Maximize your savings with this energy-efficient dryer now.